Hi everyone, in my previous video I have shown you how to install Python and pip packages that include matplotlib, scipy, numpy and plotly. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Jupyter Notebook on your system. So let's begin. Before we begin, we have to know where we have installed our Python. So for me, I have installed my Python 3.7 version here. So this is the file location. I copy the file location and write cmd to open my command prompt, and here is my command prompt. So write cd, paste the file location, and then start to install your Jupyter Notebook. So write pip install Jupyter, hit enter. So it has installed Jupyter Notebook on my system. Since I have installed it already, it shows requirement already satisfied, but if you are installing it for the first time, it will install for you. So after we have successfully installed Jupyter Notebook, let's launch it on our web browser. So write Jupyter Notebook and hit enter. So it will bring you to this web page. When you are here, from the new drop down menu, select Python 3 and it will open the Jupyter Notebook where you can write your Python code. So let's start with the first Python code here. So I'm gonna print something on the screen. Print, we have installed Jupyter Notebook successfully, and then shift enter. So it successfully printed what I wanted to print. Let's try another one. So say x equals 2 and y equals 3. Let's sum them up, x plus y, and I'm expect to see x plus y equals 5. Let's see if it is the case. Yes, it has printed the sum correctly. So you can write your Python code here, which is a really nice platform for Python. Hope it helps you, and thank you for watching.